Hi guys, welcome back. This is another video brought to you by myself, Ryan, and today I'm just going to go through Bitcoin, some of the wave structure that I'm looking at on Bitcoin as to why we might be expecting a bit of a pullback over the next couple of weeks. Maybe one more hit to the high, but then really expecting a bit of a pullback before then a December rally, a Santa rally that likes to happen in the markets. Over the past few weeks and months, we've been quite bullish down here in this accumulation structure that we've been pointing out for quite a while, and we've been saying that we need to see some of this inefficiency in the candle filled, and as you can see, we've done that. So I think now would be a good time for people who was bullish down here, maybe enter in long trades to maybe hedge a bit of a short. Obviously it's not financial advice, but I'm just going to go through the wave structure, what I'm seeing as to why we might be expecting a bit of a pullback before then continuation in the end of the year. So right now for Bitcoin, I've just dropped us down to the 4-hourly time frame, get on the lower time frame, do a bit more in-depth analysis here on these waves. And I think what we're setting up here is a leading diagonal on the lower time frames that would be setting up for just one more new hit to the high here for Bitcoin. That would probably take us to the top of this range here. That we've been looking for quite a while, and then what I'd be looking for actually is an ABC pullback. Something like this that comes down, and I'll just add these waves here to this wave. This is what I'm seeing here for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. And then that ABC would hopefully come down below this wave 4, break these lows, grab the liquidity and set up this in this head and shoulder type structure, come down, grab all the liquidity and then start to accumulate again into what would be hopefully a December rally, a Santa rally that usually likes to happen in all markets. It's people coming in, the big players are marking up the markets, taking profits, and then going away for December with the families. You know, these people are millionaires, billionaires that move the markets, so these people are not sticking around in December. They're off doing something else, so they'll be ready to come back with all them profits that they take in December and really look to repeat the cycle all over again in 2023. And that's what we're going to be here for. We're going to be analysing these waves, looking at what are these market makers doing, what are these big players in the market doing right now, and hopefully being on the right side of the trade the majority of the time. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing on the lower time frame for Bitcoin: a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside, and then looking for a pullback in Bitcoin just as people get quite bullish here. And then, you know, people love to buy the tops and sell the bottoms. It's just market psychology. So what I'd be looking for is a couple of hedge shorts up here if we do get that move to the top. You know, if we continue up, then no problem. We've entered down here, you know, so it's no real issue if we don't come back. But the market always comes back. We always move in waves, and it's never just going to go up, 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 and it's never just going to go down, down, down. There's always pullbacks on the way. It just depends if the 5 waves, 3 waves, WXYs. That's what we're here to analyze, and this is what I'm seeing at the minute on Bitcoin. So I've just brought us down now to the 1-hourly time frame on Bitcoin, just to point out a couple of things that I'm seeing that really outline one more hit to the high coming. What I would expect to see, you know, with this RSI, we've come down, set a lower low here, but set a higher high in price. So that's some hidden bull there on the 1-hourly. So that is setting up for a move to the upside. I don't think that can be ignored, but I think there again we're going to get some hidden bear where we've got some hidden bear here, but I think that's just the initial sign there where we've got a high high in price but a low low in the RSI. I think that's the first sign that we're weakening on momentum to the upside. And then this second move up where we go and set a high high in price again, but set a low low in the RSI would be double confirmation as to what we'd be expecting to see there as an ABC correction to come into play really quickly, snap back, take this liquidity, ruin all the people that get bullish up here, and then obviously people start to get bearish down here and worried again. Fear sets in and they don't want to accumulate for the next move up, and that's the way the markets work. So just watch out for that. I think that is what's setting up on the lower time frame, on the higher time frame as well. So yeah, just watch out for it. So just jumping over now for Bitcoin to round up on the weekly time frame, I wanted to point out this RSI trendline break to the upside that we've had on the weekly RSI. A key moment in my opinion, and that is one reason as to why I'm very bullish for a December rally. But I do think in the short term that one hit to the high and then a pullback in November would be what would really set up that Santa rally in December. So just be on the watch out for it. I am very bullish for the next coming months in crypto, especially with this RSI trend line break. If it's not a fake out and if it doesn't come below again, but you know, if we do come below this RSI again and we go and set a higher high in the RSI, but even a lower low in the price, again, that would be quite a bullish sign for crypto to get ready for a move up into the new year. So again, these ranges, we're talking about percentages here that in the long term might not even matter. So if the short term is not for you and you're not focused on the short term, then these videos don't really matter too much to you. But again, it's just a bit of insight as to what I'm seeing, and hopefully it might be some use to you. And of course, it's not financial advice, not going to give that, but it's just my own opinion, so take it as you will. I'm not telling you to do anything, but you know, we're just tracking the waves, seeing how the market is moving, what we're expecting to see, and if it does come to fruition, what we can expect next. So yeah, take it easy, guys. I will try and upload a little bit more regularly, because lately I've been ill, so I haven't been uploading that often, but feeling a bit better now, so I might upload a bit more. We'll see how the price action goes. Don't want to be making pointless videos. So yeah, cheers guys, not financial advice. Take it easy, see you next time.